ready to ditch those hefty international transaction fees and travel like a pro. First things first, let's talk currency exchange. When you open the Revolut app, you'll immediately see clear and current exchange rates. Simply select the currency you want to exchange to, enter the amount, and swipe to exchange. This step will help you avoid ATM fees, ensuring you start your trip with the local currency. Now, let's safeguard those funds before you leave. It's a smart move to set spending limits for your card in the app to avoid overspending. Also, familiarize yourself with the freeze card feature. This is your security shield in case of loss or theft. Freezing your card instantly is essential. You can later unfreeze it easily when you find your card. Using your Revolut card abroad is smooth sailing. When paying, you have the option to select different cards. The app usually defaults to your main card, but you can select the card you want to use for the desired transaction. At ATM Usage, always choose the local currency option to avoid dynamic currency conversion charges. And remember to check the app for any transaction notifications to monitor your spending. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates, so your money goes further. Stay informed about your transactions and spending habits by using the app's analytics feature. The location feature gives you access to your ATM transactions, allowing you to see where you withdraw your money. This will also help you prepare future trips. With Revolut, international travel becomes effortless, providing the tools and flexibility to make your travels a breeze. So, download the app, pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.